Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the four-time frames VQ0 line indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify market trends using the volatility, quality indicator, and also issues buy and sell signals for us. This indicator essentially operates by displaying four lines, each of which basically has two colors, red and green. These four lines represent the volatility quality 0 line indicator in 4 different time frames.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
If the VQ0 line indicator is positive and has a value greater than the attribute, it is displayed in green, and if it has a negative value or less than the attribute, it is displayed in red. We can use it in such a way that when all four lines are in the same color in harmony with the higher time frames, we proceed to buy or sell. For example, in this area, on the M15 time frame, we have the color red, and also on the M5 time frame, we have the color red. When it changes from green to red on the M1 time frame, we can have a sell signal and proceed to sell. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option is the moving average period, which is present in the calculations of the WQ indicator. The next option is the moving average calculation method, which by default is set to linear weighted, and we can choose from these options. The next option is the ATR filter, when the changes in the WQ indicator are less than this amount, which is in percentage, meaning 5% ATR, it does not calculate a new WQ and keeps the previous value. In a way, it filters out changes below 5% ATR. The next option is the color of the labels that are displayed here. The following option, if set to true, issues alerts for buy and sell signals. We can specify the type of alert in the next option, which, if set to true, will display a message on the screen for us. If the next option is true, it will simultaneously issue an audio alert along with the message. If the next option is true, it will also place this signal in our mailbox. The last option is the number of candles that appear in the past chart, and this indicator performs calculations on them. Let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform together. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.